Hello, Morning Strength family. This is Patty, your host, and today we are talking about doing clamshells. Clamshell is designed specifically for your hip flexors and your butt. If you're a runner and you're quad dominant, you're going to have some struggle with the hip flexors, and most women do not know how to activate their glute muscles. It took me a long time when I first started working with a personal trainer to understand how to activate my glutes, and I didn't even know I wasn't doing it. Most of us are quad dominant, as I said, so we're on our toes a lot, so we put a lot of pressure here. We do not use our hamstrings and butt appropriately. So today I'm going to show you this simple exercise. It's just a clamshell. After you get used to doing it naturally with just your legs, then you can add a band in to apply more pressure to gain more muscle. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just going to lay down on your left side. You can have a pillow, get something for your head here, just to lay it on. Bring your legs together, and this is just a simple version of it. Okay, you want to activate your side abdominal muscles and your glutes. And you're just going to take your breath in, just like your foundational pose. Activate those abs, and then you're going to slowly bring your leg up. Activate those glutes, hold it for 5 seconds, and slowly exhale, bring that down. Take a deep breath in, pull up. Get a good range of motion if you can, and bring it back down, exhale. You want to do 2 sets of 10. Breathe in. Hold it for 5 seconds and exhale. Good. After you've done one side, you want to flip over to the right side and do 10 more. Again, do 2 sets. This is just a nice, simple exercise to activate your glutes and your hip flexors, which cause a lot of low back pain. When a lot of clients come into my massage table, they'll say, my low back hurts, massage that. But I don't. I massage the glutes, the hips, and the quads, because that's where the pain is. That's where the tight muscles are. That's where the short and contracted muscles are. So I'll see you next week on the next video. Give this one a try and let me know what you think in the comments.